So guys, so I've been getting these weird text messages from the boss baby. So I texted him back a few minutes ago before I made this video. I said, so what you going to do about it? It's about it. Creepy baby, you ain't no boss baby. So yeah. So yeah, I haven't text back yet. I was just figuring a fidget spinner off camera. So I wasn't gonna make a video of it. So yeah. The baby spinning stuff.
Because he couldn't be bothered to warn me. Are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
I just can't deal with you and Julian right now.
He texts back, okay, I warned you, haha. Then he takes like those little things and then a period. So I can hear it beeping. Crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna keep spinning this.
It's so loud. That's because you have a great, big, beautiful, good heart. Do I really, Mom?
You tell me when that's done loading, okay?
Dramatic sense.
I'm going now.
Something bad is happening. You look scared.
I heard a sound. It was like, but louder and harder.
Don't do that. Don't play.
So, yeah, I'm scared. I'm not scared. And what are you talking about? You going out to eat? I am. Whatever, Raphael. Okay, whatever. Raphael, crazy. Okay, so I'm going to sleep, guys. And sword, because I want to get a lot of action of what happened while I'm asleep. Good night.
On the next General Hospital. June is Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month. More than 5 million Americans suffer from Alzheimer's disease, and you can help. Visit Casino all this month and find out how you can support the Alzheimer's Association and help us end this disease once and for all.
Rosinger Hyundai in Lincolnwood makes it really simple with our best price. Right up front. Try the new 2017 Sonata Rosinger's best price, only $15.80. Save $8,000 on a new 2017 Santa Fe Sport. Rosinger Hyundai North in Lincolnwood. Tonight, you ready for Rock-a-Rock? For a Cars movie unlike anything you've ever seen.
I doubt you understand anything.
This isn't all about Jeff.
Hey, Lulu, have you seen Mike into this? Yes, baby. Did I leave it out here? So the joys of having a roommate that goes through all of the things. All right. I don't mind. I don't. You know, she's my granddaughter. She's perfect. But I feel a little bit in the way. What are you talking about? Honey, you just got custody of your daughter, and your new family of 3 is now a family of 4, and I think you need complete
10 hours later.
Don't get me wrong. But Rocco isn't the problem. She is.
Hey guys, I just woke up.
You scared.
Raphael, that app you was downloading is done. Downloading the app and install it.
And everything is gonna be fine, okay? You're a girl. That always make
Okay. He said, okay, I warned you, ha ha ha. Oh, he said, I see you, peekaboo, ha ha. Wakey. Oh, I bet he meant to say wakey, I can say. No one's making eggs or bacon anyways. Ha ha ha, I know what you are doing. I'm gonna say, what am I doing then? Oops, I put him. Send. Why didn't you call me? I told you. Shut up. I didn't know. I was watching TV. FaceTime. Call. And I guess it's just here. Here, you can put in your name. And this is act like on the corner. It's not? I got it. So that's fine. Wait. 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, what happened? There's no thing. So yeah. Oh my god. You just typed in on me.
ABC's General Hospital, brought to you by Huggies. There's nothing like a hug.
So yeah, and I think we're trying.
This doesn't hurt at all.
I can go on bike rides and have ice cream.
I can drink beer now. I can have a beer and watch the games. Cincinnati has become a part of my life. I don't have to worry about having that sensitivity.
You know, I can be a taste tester.
Yeah, let's just.
White wine in a nice tall glass. Or decadent chocolate, gently baked in
He texts back. Text back. Well, if he called, just call me. Okay.
Play Bubblewitch 3. Bursting with free daily
He's
rewards.
supposed to call you.
There's a bewitching bonus
And
every day.
And what are you doing by yourself? Because you didn't do it today.
A presidential election. Accusation of scandal. Obstruction of justice. Claims the White House tried to stop the investigation.
So, there we go. I can say calling 30 minutes. Did you not say 3?
45 years
I don't know if that game is. So, he takes back. He called. Oh my god. What? A killer clown does. What? Okay, so he texts back. He texts back. He said exactly what I'm doing right now. He said exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm making a YouTube video of me doing this, but yeah. What? That's for me right there. What the hell?
No, I can't talk to you about this. Because
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to.
That means when he like does that click thing, that means he's reading it.
How was the walk? Awful.
You want me to call the police?
Did
I
something
think I
happen?
called police on her too.
But something is about to happen because we're going to finish the puzzle we started last night, right?
Oh, well, good. Spencer likes
Ooh,
puzzles.
I know. Oh my god. He just put the yeah.
What
He
happened
could
to your
just put
hand?
yeah. I'm gonna police.
And when he says all the right things.
I'm gonna delete this chat.
Like, your hands could use a scrub too.
I'm gonna delete this chat. Call police. I'm gonna delete this chat.
Tell me.
Wait, does this mean that they gonna come? I deleted the chat. See, deleted chat. Yay. So that's all I got for you guys today. I called to you guys later. Peace. Again, that's a call the police.
I'm wondering why.
Oh. Bye. Where are you, Flo?
I don't know what's wrong with me.
Hello?
Probably stuck in traffic.
Oh my god. Hold on, the police just got us here. Call night is ready.